Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So there are basically two scenarios that are play out, obviously, and just want to get these levels in. So the high and the low of last week is pretty much what we focused on. Looking at the 8 hour, you can see we've got a crossover of the oscillators, a bit of divergence is brewed here as well. You can see high, 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 lower high. So that could be a double top, and if it is a double top, we'd want a break and retest of 42.79 for a retest of these lows. So that's kind of the setup at the moment. Could be bottom of range as well. So if we drop down to the 3 hour, you'll see that's the range of last week. You can see the low is right here at 42.79 and the high is here at 44.05 or 4400. So looking at the oscillators, definitely don't want to be jumping in short here, not with a weekly gap. These weekly gaps typically get closed sometime in the week. You can see last week we also gapped down and then closed the gap. So for me, pullbacks are to be sold into. Can't sell down here. Definitely looking to be selling somewhere in this area here at 43.23. So if we can sell in this area, that's definitely what we want to be paying attention to. So looking for a pullback, close the gap, and then an opportunity to sell into this. Definitely not looking to be long, also not looking to be short at these levels anyway. I'd want a pullback. But it does look like there is potential here for a double top forming. So just pay attention to this level as well. If we do reject it, 42.80, it'll probably be worthwhile just paying attention to it, and I would drop down to the 15-minute for that, and then you can see it a little bit clearer. And if I move the levels along, so you can see there is sort of a low of Friday, which is 42.86, and then you've got that space as well, which is 42.80, or sorry, 4300. So that's also going to offer some area of resistance. And if you look at the 15-minute oscillator at the moment, that does look like you should be looking to break through this and sell. But yeah, I'd wait for these levels here, and they are pretty much sort of levels on the hour as well. You can see between 42.79 and 42.80, they are pretty strong levels on the hour. But yeah, there's lots of noise in the market at the moment, so be very, very careful, and small position size, wait for some structure before jumping in it. And I'd be very wary of holding on to shorts at the moment, just looking at how oversold we are on the higher time frames. So it's more a case of looking for value at the moment. I think there's a lot of people are going to be looking for value in certain shares, and especially since the West are looking to stop procuring oil from Russia now as well. So yeah, there's going to be quite a bit of volatility this week still. Hang on to your hats. Anyway, pullbacks are to be sold as far as I'm concerned, but I need pullbacks onto structure, and those are the levels that we're looking at. If we get pullbacks and rejections on those levels, then we're definitely looking to be short, and potentially anticipating a double top break which tests the previous lows down here around 4100. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.